So to create this pattern, you want to decide what order you want your colours to stripe in. So I've decided to put them like this, and I'm going to work from one side to the other all the way down, and it's going to be the same rows every time. So to get started, you want to knot from this side to this side, and you want to do this every time you're going over the same colour. And then when you get to a different colour, for the first knot you're going to do the same direction, and then for the second knot you're going to switch positions and knot in the other direction. And then to knot over the same colours again, you're just going to knot in the same direction. And then when you get to your next colour, you're going to knot in one direction, and then you're going to knot in the other direction, so that you always keep your colours in the same order. And then for your last two, they're always going over the same colour, so you're just going to knot in the same direction each time. So I'm going back to the beginning of the row. You're going to repeat exactly what you did for your last row. This just repeats the same row every time. So you're just going to knot in this direction. You could do it the other way around if you wanted, but I tend to prefer knotting this way. And then again, when you get to your contrast colour, you want to go over that and then turn, and then work backwards, so you kept your colours in the same position. And you want to do the same thing with your next colour. And then the same when you switch into your next colour. One direction and then turn and do the other direction to keep it in the same place. And you just want to keep repeating these rows to work your stripe all the way down, and just do this until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it. And when you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And I've done a braided tail end at either end for tying it on. So now you just want to try on your bracelet. And that is your completed 3-stripe friendship bracelet.